Greetings. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Matt Gracie. I'm a business development consultant here at Omnitrans. And today I'm going to be walking you through our latest product offering called OT Ship, which is a one-stop shop platform for selecting LTL carriers and booking loads right through the self-service environment. No need to maintain separate rate agreements or maintain minimum spend to get great rates. Now you can take advantage of Omnitrans's buying power in this space and have access to over a dozen different national carriers, which clients love. You could have a quote to booking within 2 minutes. No need to wait for emails or phone calls back from carriers. You could have a quote back to a manager or a customer within 2 minutes. And I'd love to show you how we do it. Here's an example. All right, so let's get started. We're going to log right into the OT Ship portal here. You can see the main quoting screen, how clean it is. It's very easy to navigate. One of the first things our clients comment on when they first log into the portal of its ease of use. So you can see here right at the top bar, you can start with a new quote, save quote, new shipment or claim. You can track the shipment, and under your account preferences, you can see here, you can actually add in an address book. So if you have your customer's information in a CSV file, for example, that can be uploaded, which will help reduce data entry for future shipments. So for today's example, we're going to do a shipment from Montreal, Quebec, and we're going to be going to Burlington, Ontario. Now you can see this swap button here. So allows you either to ship in or ship out of your location. It can be used for intra-Canada shipments or also cross-border shipments with the United States. So we'll see here, the next step is under dimensions and weights. You can do multiple skids if you like, or you can just do one. So for today's example, we're just going to do one skid here. We'll put in some typical skid sizes of 42 by 42, 30 by 60, and we'll say 300 pounds. And the platform is defaulted to pallet, but you can also, there's not many different options that you can choose from if it's not on a pallet. And we'll say 7 pieces, and we'll put parts of the description here. So before we move forward, you can see there's additional service here that can also be added, say for appointment delivery or heated service. You can make reference to the type of dangerous good it is, or if the shipment is stackable or non-stackable. And so you're going to hit submit here. And it just takes a second as it's going to pull rates directly from the carriers. The platform is API driven, so you're getting live rates. And under the shipment summary screen, you can see all the different carriers that come up for this particular lane, which I'm sure you're very familiar with most of these. So a shipment can be selected based on the carrier. It can be selected on base rates, surcharges, or estimated transit days. It's completely up to you. So as we scroll down here, we'll choose the first one. But you can see here, this is where you can save a quote for later if you like. For today, we're going to be creating the order, and it's going to take us right to the shipping, the ship from screen here. So this will be defaulted with your company information, again, to cut down on data entry, and allows you then to put in your ready time and closing time and any instructions that are needed for the pickup. And also you can add in your customer's information here, and you can save the address. So if you'd like to build your address book as you go, you definitely have that option. And we're just going to information here, and the system does require you to put in a phone number and a contact name. You can add in your email address if you'd like to be notified of the delivery. And you can also put in, it's important to add their closing time and any instructions that are needed. Again, we've always stressed this to making sure that it is a successful and smooth delivery. If you have a PO number, for example, that can be referenced in the reference code, which will show up on the bill of lading. The program does give you another opportunity to add in another couple of pallets if needed for the same delivery. And there's some options here, whether it's for home delivery as well if needed, and some more additional services. So really, you hit the get rates, and you can see how quick that is. So from this step, a notification is sent to the selected carrier. A confirmation number is then sent back to you. You'll then have access to your bill of lading and your shipping label, all within a couple of minutes. So you can see how we've really simplified this process. And there you have it. It's just that easy. Now, if you'd like to start saving time and money within the quoting stage, then contact us today at otship@omnitrans.com, and one of my teammates will be more than happy to set you up with an account so you can start taking advantage of this amazing platform. Thanks again for tuning in. It was my pleasure to walk you through our latest product offering, and we'll see you soon.